Hey everyone, it's Lisa. Happy Friday. I hope that you have had a wonderful week. We have had a really good week. We've gotten a lot of stuff done and I feel great, and it's always good when you have a productive week. With that said, yesterday I did a Nordstrom recommendation video. It's just like my first glance and the things that I've put in my wish list, and I'm going to post that right along with this video. I wanted to post it this morning, but I didn't want people to get confused and think that was my Friday video. I'm going to just go in and show you what I've gotten this week. Most of it, I would say, is home stuff. First of all, if you watched my VeriShop video, I went back and decided what I wanted to order, and this photo that I showed you guys is one of the things that I ordered. I got it in, I unwrapped it, I love it. I don't know exactly where I'm going to put it. They say it's a bathroom picture. And so I didn't think anything of it, and I put it over there. And then Brooke came home one night and I said, "Oh, look at this picture." I said, "This is so pretty. It reminds me of," and I don't know why, but it reminds me of the movie with Angelina Jolie and Brad Pitt. It was one of their last movies they did together, and I believe it was in Italy. And so she was looking at it and she was like, "Mama." I had no idea that this lady right here is laying out topless, so her boobs are showing. So I'm sorry if you got this and that bothers you. It doesn't bother me one bit. Maybe if my children were younger, or I had like lots of like a long time ago, we would have a lot of John's coworkers over or something, even though I don't even know if that would bother me then. But there's no one that would come over to my house that would bother me. So I'm going to keep it. I just love it. But I do want to tell you about that because it was funny. I never even looked. I mean, I noticed everybody, and I loved that everybody was just free and normal. And now I see they were very, very free. And then along with that, I showed you all of the glassware and the vases that I liked on that website. There were so many. And I'll probably go back and get some more. But this one goes with an antique vase that is on my kitchen table that I got from my mom, and I think it was her grandmother's. And I love it. It's just so pretty, and this matches that. So I got this to go on my kitchen table. And I don't know if I'll put anything in it or if I just love the way it looks. So that is another thing that I ended up ordering from VeriShop. It was kind of a big dummy move of mine, but I'm just going to suck it up and go with it. I said I wanted one of the Barefoot Dreams blankets, but I wanted it in this combo because I wanted to go with my sofa. And then I'll take my gray one back in my bedroom because that's where I always kept it. And so when I went to order it, the list for the Nordstrom sale was not out. And I was just so afraid that it wouldn't be on there or it would get sold out. I just went ahead and ordered it. And I actually ordered mine off of Amazon. And so I think this is on there. I'm pretty sure because I have the black one in my cart. The thing is, this one goes so fast. It just is gone. But they do have sweaters just like this year, and I asked you what you thought about me getting a sweater out of this, so let me know what you think. But isn't this just gorgeous? Another kind of a weird thing that I got this week are these. I eat with my parents every Sunday night, and used to, before I started eating better for my health, they would go in the morning to a bakery. And I would go over there and we would just have an extravaganza of cream cheese croissants, cinnamon buns, cheesecake, banana bread. They would get all these different things. And then if she was closed, we would get like those big donuts from like the specialty donut shops. And I would just come home and just, even if I had been dieting all week, I would always splurge. And I would come home and I would just feel terrible. My heart would be pounding. I'd wake up the next morning swollen. My hands would be swollen. My wrist would be aching. I mean, just all the things that it's like I knew I needed to be eating better. But anyway, so now we don't do that. Now on Sunday night, what we do is we cook like a steak, shrimp, chicken, kielbasa, just any type of meat and vegetables, and that's what we're doing. So when I was at her house and I was cutting a steak one night, she had this knife, and hers are black. And I said, I love these knives. I just loved that I love the serrated edge better than the steak knives that we have. We had like the Chicago cutlery. And the way they are is when you're cutting into a steak or meat, it's just like so easy, and it doesn't like shred your meat up or anything. It just is, I don't know, for me to have even noticed, that tells you how good it is, because I've never noticed a steak knife before, and I just love the way they felt in my hand. And so she ordered me some, and she ordered them off of eBay. Hold on just a second. So she ordered some for me, and they sent, I think she ordered white handles with the blunt end, the serrated edge. They sent black handle, pointed end with a smooth blade. And so when she went to go send them back, it was like, oh, send them back as soon as we get them, It wasn't just a nice, easy exchange. So I just went and looked on Amazon, and I found them. And they are the Swiss-made Victoria Knox knives. And she was telling me when you get them, at first they're extremely sharp, not to put them in your dishwater, and just be real careful. So I just left the like protective seal on a couple of mine. And the reason I got the multicolor is, besides it just being pretty and happy, I have Fiesta ware. So my dishes are, the different colors, and so is my silverware. It's the Fiesta ware. And so I just thought this might look pretty with that. So I asked her, I was like, what made you get those? How did you know about those? And she said, well, your daddy's always loved knives, like for fishing, hunting, and it's just one of those things. So they knew that this brand was a good brand, Victoria Knox. So I wanted to show them to you. I know it's not in my typical realm of things, but I really think that you'll like these. I had never heard of this designer, Victoria Emerson. I was watching Shay Whitney's channel, and I think it was her home tour, like her home renovation tour. I'm all into that now. And she was going on and on about these bracelets, and I thought about getting some of those. I really do like the ones that look like a whole stack of bracelets, but they're magnetic. But it's really not what I go to, most day to day. And I saw this one, and I love it. It's kind of like a watch chain. And I ordered it. I just got it. So I got this. I love it. I love that it's not like just this crazy bright gold. It's just so pretty, but it's too big for me. So I'm going to see. I think that it would be pretty easy. You can see it has like these little holes on the last 3 links. And I feel like that is so you can take those out. So I'm going to go to like a local jewelry store that I have stuff done, and get them to fix it for me, because I love it. I just love it. I think it's so pretty. And then I don't know if you saw my Wayne Goss video. It was in the beginning. I just showed you everything from his latest collection, and then at the end I did my eyes and everything with this palette, and it is just so pretty, you guys. I also did kind of a different look in yesterday's video, which is the Nordstrom video, and then today I did yet a different look. But today I added Midnight Cowboy from Urban Decay, just to give like that. And then Brooke had the Midnight Cowboy glitter liner on last night when she went to dinner, and I loved it. So that's what I've got on today, but this is so pretty. And I didn't use any liquid liner today. I didn't use any pen liner. Every bit of liner I have on today is from his pencils. They are so good. They sharpen up real sharp, and you can really get a wing with them. You can smudge them out, but they don't smudge away. I just think, I can't imagine anyone not liking the whole collection. And yesterday I got a package from Laura Mercier, and I put it on I'll put the picture up here. I put a little picture of it on my Insta stories, and they sent me their new translucent powder, which is something I use every day. I use the regular translucent, but they came out with a new shade called Honey. And I'll put a picture in here when I sprinkled it out this morning. And so today I have on the regular translucent under my eyes. I have on the Honey shade all over in place of the YSL Glow Powder. And then I used the translucent Glow on the tops of my cheeks. So I used all three of the Laura Mercier powders. They're amazing. I love it. And I mean, I have a whole tub of powders that I like the Chanel one I like. I mean, there's a lot of them that I like, but none of them with a damp sponge give the extra coverage that this does. There's just something magic about dipping it in there, and I pat it off on my hand real good so it's not real heavy, and then I set my concealer. It's just amazing. So thank you to Laura Mercier for sending that to me. It was a really cute package, and I'm always thankful. Guys, I think that's it. I didn't do a whole bunch of like clothes shopping or anything. And oh, Bay Harbor Beauty sent me a refill on my Island Coconut Body Cream. And let me just, I didn't put any on this morning, so let me just show you the difference. Here, I'll put it on this arm. I put it on, I think yesterday in the video, or I had it on. Okay, so I don't know if you can see the difference in my skin, when you put that on. So now I've got to put a little bit on over here. And some have said that they thought maybe it was a little bit too thick or too moisturizing or whatever. I never put this on at night because it will get, it's just too thick to go to bed with. But like right now I'm putting it on, and then I'll put a little bit on my hands, and it will just kind of soak in the next 30 minutes or so. And oh, it's just so pretty, and I love this Island Coconut scent. So thank you to Julie for sending that to me. And then I guess I'm going to do an outfit of the day. I always try to share with you guys the pictures that inspire me. Whenever I see any picture or person, I try to just snap a picture of it, and then when I'm getting dressed, I try to if I don't have something in mind that I saw recently, I'll go through my pictures. Well, I came across one, and I don't have my phone here. Yeah, I do, right here. Okay, and here it is. I'll put it up here. It'll be easier. From Style Gator, and I just loved it. So I tried to recreate this look, and I have gone from these pants being almost too tight. Now they're really too big, but I'm going to do it anyway. So this is the look I was going for, and I'm doing different shoes just because my pants are long, and I needed to wear heels. So I'll be right back with my outfit of the day. So I've got on just one of the nice tanks that I love so much from Target. I tried to wear my strapless Lively bra, which is probably the most comfortable strapless bra I have ever worn, but it just showed a straight band. So I ended up just putting on the regular mesh, and that way if they do show, it's not that bad, but I've kind of just tucked them under. And then these are the, you can see, these are the Topshop, here I'll make them look good. These are the Topshop high-waisted pants that I also have in, I think I have these in navy too. And then so I've just got on my little mesh Schutz slingbacks. I needed something that didn't flip and flop, so it wouldn't catch the back of the pants, and I guess even loose, you can go for more of that casual look, but I love these. I don't know if they sell them anymore, but they were good pants, good feeling and looking pants for the money. And then this, I saved the best, almost the best for last. If you have been liking my lip combo, I ran in Walgreens, and I'm telling you guys, I barely go anywhere because it's not that I don't understand the mask. It's not that I disagree with it. I just hate wearing it. It just drives me crazy. It's not a it's not a thing. It's like a physical thing. I can't stand it. I would rather wear like some kind of bubble on my head almost. But anyway, so I ran in Walgreens and I was just trying to get, I bought new nails. These are the medium length. What do you think? Oh my gosh, I should not be allowed to have nail clippers. When I was editing my video, without doing what I should have and soaking my cuticles, I pushed them back with one of those tools and I was clipping them and I really hurt myself on both of those nails. And I mean, it hurt so bad. I will not do it again. But anyway, these are the medium length. So tell me what you think. So far, so good. I just put them on this morning because I really let my nails, I like to let them kind of rest overnight. And I put like Aquaphor and stuff on my cuticles. But so I ran in there. I grabbed 2 packs of lashes. I grabbed 3 packs of the nails, and then I grabbed this size or this length so I could try them. Then I swung around. I was like trying to grab everything I could there. I needed my Benefiber was the reason I went in there. And right on the end were some new glosses. And I was like, I had to stop and look, and I wanted like 3 of them, but I was like, Lisa, you always do that, and then they're not that great, and then you don't want to take them back, and they were still like $9.99. So I just picked one, and the one I picked is called Moon, and they're Maybelline Lifter, hyaluronic acid. It's supposed to be like not a plumping gloss, but one that makes your lips look real pretty. And I love it. I mean, not only do I love the way it looks, it feels so good. You do not feel the shimmer. They do have some cream ones. They had lots of nude ones and pink ones. So I thought I would put it back on with you. The lip liner I had on was the Wayne Goss Sepia. And then look how pretty. It even smells good. It has like it's not real strong at all. Let me put it on and then maybe you'll see. Ooh. Has a nice big kind of doe foot. Smooth. I love it. Let me put on a little bit more. You always have to get your shimmer and your sparkles up here. That's what's going to make your lips look wider and fuller. And I just love it. So I'm sure that it will look different with different liners. If you wanted to carry it more pink, use Estee Lauder Rose. If you want it to look less, maybe a little bit more tan or fleshy, use like Lancome Bronzelle. This is going to give it my natural lip look, which is kind of like a rosy pink. But I will link them down below. I'm sure they're on like Walmart or Ulta. But if you're out, pick up one. You will love it. For accessories, I have on the Dean Davidson Castle Ring in Citrine. I have on I put on the little disc ones that I got with these, but I just love when you wear your hair back with like a little teeny hoop like that. I think it's called a Huggy. And all of my normal jewelry, I don't think I'm going to bring that out. All of my Amazon chain, all the stuff that I leave on all the time. And that is it. So I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will be back. I'm feeling so good lately. It's just fun making videos. Oh, I was going to ask you. I was getting out my sunglasses for the day, and I was trying to decide between these Ferragamo sunglasses or a totally different look would be these Ray-Bans. So I don't know which one I'm going to pick. I'll probably ask Brooke. Tell me what you think down below. See you guys later. Bye-bye.